Anyway,
crazy.
that wraps up for me. Vin, did you want to update people what's going on with Subway or what?
Well, it wasn't a big update.
What do you got?
I went to Subway downtown Toronto,
Yeah.
around my area.
Yeah.
No rotisserie chicken.
Oh, what happened?
Didn't want to talk about it.
Not carrying or just out of stock?
They didn't really go beyond no. I
You didn't press.
it was busy. I wasn't gonna
Okay.
get into it.
Well, maybe you were right. Maybe the profit margins aren't there, and certain franchisees are like, I'm not keeping his rotisserie chicken. I'm losing money here. Every time this Vin guy comes in here, the special order with the rotisserie specific chicken.
The one guy who buys the chicken.
Yeah, he's screwing up the whole chain.
The guy up here is loaded.
He's loaded with the rotisserie.
Loaded.
So you got to wait and order it over there. All right. So, the next big question, first of all, Subway, downtown. Vin doesn't want to say the exact location. We don't want anybody going in here.
No.
But
Steal all the chicken.
it's time to step up the game, get the rotisserie going. But the big question is, in the absence of a rotisserie option, what were you left with? What did you go for?
Turkey.
Oh, my God. It's unfortunate.
It's healthy. Come on now.
It's too bad.